Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The euro-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The euro-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The pound-dollar pair dropped 0.5% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dropped 0.8% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Investors welcomed Rishi Sunak as Britain's new Prime Minister, but they're likely to give him little leeway to diverge from spending restraint and tax rises after his predecessor shook their faith in the Conservative Party's management of the economy. Tesla reported that it suffered a $170 million impairment loss on its investment in Bitcoin during the first 9 months of this year, noting that it had also gained roughly $64 million by converting some of the Bitcoin that it owned into fiat money. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Co. has suspended production of advanced silicon for Chinese startup Biren Technology to ensure compliance with US regulations, according to sources.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US S&P Case-Shiller home price indices will be released at 1300 hours GMT, the US consumer confidence at 1400 hours GMT, the US Red Book Index at 1255 GMT. Germany's IFO Business Climate will be released at 0800 hours GMT, Germany's IFO Current Assessment at 0800 hours GMT, Germany's IFO Expectations at 0800 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.